How to mention someone in WhatsApp status. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the Updates tab to switch to it. Then tap on My Status. You can add either a photo or video status. For this tutorial, let's add a photo status and mention someone in it. Tap on the gallery icon. Your device photos will appear on the screen. Select the photo that you want to add to your WhatsApp status. Once selected, tap on the @icon. Now, select one or more people that you want to mention in your WhatsApp status. For that, tap on the person's name to select them. Once selected, tap the done icon at the bottom. Finally, tap on the green upload icon at the bottom to post your status. As you can see, my WhatsApp status has now been uploaded. Tap on My Status to view it. Then, select your recently uploaded WhatsApp status. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on View Mentions. Over here, you will see the person you mentioned in your WhatsApp status, confirming that the mention was successful. Please note that the selected person will also be notified that you have mentioned them. To check this, go back to the WhatsApp Updates tab, then tap on the Chats tab. At the very top, you will see the conversation of the same mentioned person. Tap on it. As you can see, they have been notified that you have mentioned them in your WhatsApp status. And boom! You have successfully learned how to mention someone in your WhatsApp status. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.